Administrators can now configure the LTI connection between D2L and Examena platforms. Register Examena as an LTI external tool in D2L. Some of the required information can be copied over from Examena. Fill in the corresponding information as shown in the diagram. Enter the configuration information obtained from the registration into the corresponding configuration screen in Examena. Open the newly registered Examena LTI tool in D2L. Enter the keyset URL obtained from the Examena configuration, and check the corresponding extensions as shown in the video. Click Save, then click View Deployments. In D2L, click Add New Deploy Tool, select the newly registered Examena tool, and check the security settings as shown in the video. Add org units to choose the organizational scope for the Examena tool. In this case, the sample course is selected. The configuration is now complete. Instructors can log into D2L and enter the sample course, create a module. Within the module, you can create an exam using the configured Examena external tool. To create multiple exams in a course, each exam requires a new link to be created. The instructor needs to obtain the corresponding Examena configuration's launch URL and fill in the title with the exam name. Instructors can click on the exam name to navigate to the configured Examena exam creation page. Here, you can fill in the relevant exam information, add the paper, and finally, publish the exam. From a student perspective, you can simply log into D2L, enter the course, and click on the exam name to take the exam. Note, if the instructor has configured a closed book exam, the Examena app must be installed. Clicking the exam link will launch the Examena app. In this case, an open book exam has been configured, so students are able to use a browser to take the exam. Students can flexibly switch to a left-right layout answering mode according to their preference. Students can also enter into a preview mode after finishing the exam to review their answers. Finally, submit the exam. Now, back to the instructor mode. The instructor logs into D2L and enters the corresponding course to grade the exam. Clicking the exam link will redirect users to the Examena interface, where the instructor can enter the marking progress page to grade exams. Examena will automatically grade close-ended questions, while open-ended questions require manual grading by the marker. Instructors have a choice to utilize Examena's AI feature to grade essay questions. This AI marking feature will provide grading recommendations and comments based on the predefined rubrics. If the instructor finds the AI's recommendations reasonable, they can choose Apply, and the scores and comments will be automatically populated. Once grading is complete, the instructor can enter the grading progress page to lock the scores and push the scores to the LMS. Now, the scores can be viewed in the D2L grade interface, which has been successfully synced from Examena to the D2L system.